最近 AI 视频生成赛道打得不可教的同时，世界级大厂谷歌公司憋了个大招，推出 AI 视频时长扩展模型 Video Poet， 同时还能生成音频音效，人工智能视频动画从此一站式成片。Video Poet 能够理解和处理多模态信息，而不依赖于扩散模型，而且具备了多种视频生成功能。它不仅可以根据文字描述或图像转换生成视频，还能够为视频添加风格化、修复和扩展视频，甚至从视频中生成音频音效。这种一站式服务为用户提供了全方位的视频编辑处理需求，但默认只生成竖屏内容，大家觉得横屏有需要吗？另外，最有亮点的功能是视频延长功能，它能通过调节视频最后1秒，并预测下1秒的连贯内容，也就是说，它能轻松生成出长视频的可能。测试表明，即使在多次迭代中，也能很好的保留所有对象的外观。
In the Amazon raccoon forest lives Rookie the raccoon and his family. Rookie loves to play soccer with his friends, collect acorns from the trees, swim in the river, and catch fish. But what he loves most is exploring new places and sniffing new smells. Except he's never made it out of the vast forest. Every night he dreams of seeing exotic places like Times Square and the Golden Gate Bridge. One day he sees a portal of yellow light, and his curiosity makes him step inside. Suddenly he's falling through a long tunnel which takes him to Paris. I've never seen anything like it, he says. And then to the Great Barrier Reef and even the South Pole, where he makes some new friends, before visiting the ISS and ultimately the planet Androida, where the locals didn't speak raccoon, which makes him miss the raccoon forest, and especially his family. Rookie quickly finds his way back home. He's so happy to be back with his friends, but also grateful for his adventures. I guess he's not such a rookie anymore.
对于未来的方向，谷歌表示将支持任意到任意的生成，例如扩展到文本到音频、音频到视频和视频字幕等。不久将来 ，AI 视频内容创作方面会引来更多样性的表现。这里是喜好儿，长期更新热门 AI 教程与动态，我们一起探索人工智能的新世界吧。